Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Thursday. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching my videos. You guys are awesome. So as you guys can see, I'm already ready. I have done my makeup and my hair as well. And for my eyes today, I went for the smoky eye, same as yesterday. I love the look, so I went for the same look. And for my lips, I'm wearing RIMMEL Kiss of Life. It is one of my favorite red lipstick and it is so beautiful. I just love it. So I'm gonna vlog as always, and I hope you guys will enjoy and give me a thumbs up. Add salt. Just give it a good mix. We got egg, sausage and yellow peppers. So now I have heated my pan and I'm going to add some oil. Basically, I call this dish breakfast stir fry and it is so good. You don't need a lot of ingredients and it's kind of healthy as well. So first I have added my sausage in the pan. You don't have to cook it for a long while. Next, add the egg. And let the egg cook for a while. So now you can go ahead and add your peppers and give it a good mix. So next I'm going to add little bit of soy sauce. This is light soy sauce. I have added little bit of salt in the egg, so don't add too much soy sauce or else it will be super salty. So this is optional. I am also adding some chili flakes. If you don't like chili, then you can skip this. And voila, our delicious breakfast stir fry is ready, guys. It's so easy to cook and taste delicious. Look at that, so yummy. So guys, my breakfast is ready and this dish is so yummy. You should definitely give it a try, and if you want, you can also cook this dish for dinner or lunch. It's super healthy and tastes so good. I just love it. I don't know if I showed you all of my tassel earrings which I got from Nepal. I know I showed you this one which is in royal blue color with lots of crystal and a blue stone in the middle. So I paid 200 rupees for all of these, and this one is in white color with tassel and it has flower detailing. It is in white color with crystals. This one is in purple color with gold detailing and diamonds, and it is so pretty. I just love it. This blue one I have used it couple of times and these two I haven't, so it is brand new. I'm just keeping it like this because it looks really cute. I might use it someday, you know. I just keep all my stuffs like that. Look at that, it looks so pretty. I just love pretty things, you know. So many of you have been asking me about my eyeliner, because when I wake up with, you know, eyeliner and everything, and so many people were asking me, is that your permanent eyeliner? And the answer is, drum roll, it is my permanent eyeliner and I love it. And I did this one in Pokhara, Nepal, and paid around 3,000 rupees at that time. I believe the name of the parlor was Beauty Club S, and it was one of the best salon in the town at that time, but I don't know if it still exists. If it does, definitely go ahead and get it done, but it is super painful. I'm warning you, my eyes were swollen like this and I had to wear glasses to, you know, protect it from getting dust and stuff like that. It's painful, but it's worth it. I haven't applied anything under my waterline and you guys can see it looks good. You don't have to apply eyeliner most of the time while doing your makeup, which I really like. And I also did the permanent tattoo on my upper eyelid and it didn't work very well. It was really blurry and hard to take care of, but this one, it worked really well. And as you guys can see, it's been almost almost like 10 years now, and it's still there, and I just love it because I'm a type of girl who loves to wear eyeliner most of the time. And one day I told to myself, okay, I'm gonna get a permanent tattoo eyeliner, and I did. It was painful but worth it. So if you want to try, go ahead and do it, but it's painful. It's really painful, I'm warning you, because this area is really sensitive around your eyes. So it's up to you. For me, it works. I love it. So that's that. So one of my subscribers, she was asking me about my favorite beauty products, like makeup products. So I'm gonna tell you what's my favorite. For my lips at the moment, I'm loving, you know, bright colors like red, pink, something bright, you know. So this is my favorite lip product. You guys know that. This is Kylie Jenner inspired lipstick. It's called Dancer, and I got this one from Civil Mall. And next one is Rimmel 111 Kiss of Life. It is a bright red lipstick, and this is what I'm wearing today, and it's so beautiful. I just love it. And my next favorite is this pink color, which is, you know, all messed up but still works. And this is the lipstick. It is bright pink lipstick, and it is from MAC, and it's called Girl About Town. I just love this color. So those are my favorite lip products at the moment. And for my eyeliner, I love this eyeliner. It is called Extreme 24-Hour Felt Tip Liner, and it is from collection 2000. This eyeliner is really good. It's very, you know, sharp, and you can get that winged eyeliner very easily. And for my eyebrows, I love this one, which is from Etude House, and it is called Drawing Eyebrow, and the shade is dark brown color 01. And here's the swatch for you guys. Really amazing. It's worth trying. My sister recommended this to me, and I fell in love. So I just keep going back to this eyebrow pencil, and this is my last eyebrow pencil, and I'm panicking already because I don't want to, you know, use any products for my eyebrows. So I'm gonna order this soon from eBay, obviously. And for my eyeshadow and contouring, I like this palette, and this palette is from INGLOT, and my sister gave this to me. For contouring my nose and my face, I use this eyeshadow. It's really pretty and very pigmented, and sometimes I use this as a highlighter as well. And this one is not my favorite, but it's still there. So that's that, guys. Thank you so much for listening me. So I got a package. Yay, let's open it. I know what is this. It must be my belly ring. It's my belly ring, guys. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. Isn't it pretty? Yay, I love it. So it's almost lunchtime, and I'm cooking jinge matcha curry, and it smells so delicious. This is the jinge matcha which my cousin gave me when she came here, and I think this one is going to be super delicious. So my curry is ready, guys, and I had some leftover curry and some rice. I'm also going to eat some bell peppers for my salad, and this is the curry which I just made, jinge matcha curry. Look at that, it looks so delicious. I just can't wait to eat this. Right now I'm listening to my favorite song at the moment. It's called Ajambari Maya, and the movie's name is Gangster Blue, I believe. I'm listening to the music, and I'm also going to edit my videos for you guys. So it's been a while since I've been using this case. I believe it's been around a month. So I'm gonna change this case now. So I keep all of my cases in here, and some random stuffs as well. As you guys can see, I have a first aid kit which is super handy. I should keep this one in my backpack. It comes with a glove and other stuffs like paracetamol, bandage, earbuds and stuff like that. I got this one from Poundland. I almost forgot about this, so I'm gonna keep this in my backpack. So it's staying over here for now. I also keep my hair clips in here, but I'm here for my new case. Look at this. This is so cute. Let me put this aside. I'm gonna pick a cute one, guys. This one is also kind of cool. Ooh, I know what I want. So I'm gonna use this one. It's so cute. I love it. It's in pink color with, you know, white and black detailings. Love this one. I'm gonna use this one and put this back. Whoops. Okay, so this is my old case, which is kind of cute as well. I got this one from eBay, I believe, for £1. Same with this one, also got this one from eBay for £1. So cute. I'm gonna put this inside my backpack before I forget. I always keep my backpack right over here. I don't know why, but it's so much easier for me if I keep it here. You know, it's easy to grab and go. Look at this, guys. I ran out of my crackers. I need to refry it, but I'm not gonna do that today. So I'm gonna eat some kurkure, which is my favorite. This is masala munch, and it's so yummy. Let me show you. Look at that. It's so good. One of my favorite snack is kurkure. If you are from other country where you cannot find kurkure, then you should definitely go to an Indian supermarket and grab yourself kurkure. It's really spicy. It's kind of like hot Cheetos, you know, more spicy with masala kick, you know, it's good. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Bye. See you soon.